Okay, so now we're gonna go into the follows footwork. So bachata is done on an 8 count, and so for the first 4 counts, you're gonna start off with your right foot. So for the follows, you're gonna go out on your right on 1, and then you're gonna bring in your left on the 2. Then on that 3, you're gonna step out on your right again, and then on that 4, you're gonna bring in your left foot, but this one's gonna be a tap. That's because on the 4, you're weight shifting back to the left on your 5, so it's gonna be 5. So because if you place the full weight of your foot down, you're not gonna be able to move on that 5. It's gonna feel really awkward. So again, that first 4 counts is gonna be a 1 on your right foot, a 2 on your left, a 3 on your right again, and then a tap on that 4. So then for the next 4 counts, we're gonna go to our left. So on that 5, it's gonna be a left foot out. Then on that 6, you're going to bring the right foot in. Then the 7, you're going to bring the left foot out again. And then on the 8, you're going to tap, the same way you did on that 4. So we can go back again on that 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay? So now a little bit faster, we can go over that again. So now it's going to be 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, so that's the side to side basic.